Today I'm somewhere in Illinois and we're gonna go check out this abandoned train bridge right here. I believe it was like 1980 when they abandoned this. That over there is where the old line of tracks used to go. That over there is the Mississippi River. There it is. A lot smaller than I thought it was. Especially looking at it from the satellite images, it looked bigger. Bunch of down trees. Oh. That is crazy. Yeah, it was a lot smaller than I thought it was going to be. And the line continues down that way. I'm going to do some more research and see if there's more abandoned bridges along this line. I'm not sure yet. Here, we'll go get a better view of it from the side. There it is, the abandoned train bridge somewhere in Illinois. If you like my videos, please subscribe. Thank you.